Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a search comparison map in Arcmap. So you can see these are the images from Kericho, that is Kericho County. You will see it is comparison between false bad composite and true bad composite, and we can give them different legend. We know for the false composite it's layer 5, 4 and 3, and for the true bad composite we know it's 4, 3, 2. So I'm going to show you how we can make a search map with the coordinate system at this point, with the north arrow at this point, with the search scale at this point, and with the other name here at the time when the map was made. So feel free to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So having this map here, you will notice that on the scale we have the normal band composite, that is red having band 1, green having band 2, and blue having band 3. So to change to false bad composite, you just right click, go to properties. Under properties you can change the red to band 5, green to band 4, then blue to band 3, and then you can click on apply. Okay, you can click on apply, then okay. So you will notice that this is the false bad composite. So we are going to make a map now. So go to view, then layout view. Under layout view you will identify that this is in portrait form or layout. So to change this from portrait layout to landscape layout, we just go to file, then page and print setup. Under page and print setup, just highlight on landscape, then click OK, and you will identify that this is our landscape layout. So it is like that. We can set our map at this point. Then to zoom it, we can zoom it to full extent so that it can fit to its frame. As such. So now we can insert another data frame here, so we can bring it at this point. a search. Then we can add, this is our layer here, you can just drag it and drop it at this point. So you can see they are the same. So to change this one here to the true band composite, you just right click, go to properties, then give the red the band 4, then green the band 3, and then give the blue the band 2, then apply. Okay, so this is the true band composite. So we are going now to insert the legend. Just go to insert or highlight at this point here, highlight at the, then insert legend. You can change the title of your legend at this point. Choose the color of your title, the size of the name legend, and the font of the name legend from this point, and you can select its font. Then you can give a border of the legend, or you can give the background of your legend here, and you can give also a shadow of your legend from this point. So I am just going to set my legend at this point. Here, and for this one you just highlight it and go to insert legend. Do the same as we have done for the other one. Set the legend as shown. So we can add the titles. Just go to insert title. You can say false. Okay, this one is for this one here. Right click. You can change on symbology. Example board. You can add its heights. Then okay. Then apply. You can visualize it from this point. Yes, you can visualize it as shown there. So we will add for this one also. Just right click, go to properties. This is true. Then give the same height, add bold, and then add a line. Then okay. Apply, then okay. So then you can give the title of our map. Right click, then our map is Kericho. This point here, so we can adjust even our scale from this point, or let's add the coordinate system. Just go to insert dynamic coordinate system, and it is added at this point. So right click to change on properties. You can add its text height, you can bold it, then you can apply. Then we can add the north arrow. You can just select north arrow of your choice. You can change its properties from this point. Then it is added. Now we are going to add the scale bar. So we shall go to scale bar. Just ensure it is metric system. So we can choose the scale bar of our choice. For example, this one here. Then you can click on OK. And if it is 100 here, right click. You can check on its properties. For example, the number of division. Then you can make some adjustment from this point. Then you can apply, then OK. Ensure there is no overlaying numbers to the other. So then we can add another dynamic text on the other. So right click, then check on the symbology. Then give the author name. Then apply OK. Then you can set it at that point, and we can insert the date that the map was made at the time. Just right click, you can increase its height so that you can visualize. You can do the same for the time. Then we are going to add the coordinate or the grids. So you just highlight on the map frame, then right click, go to properties, under properties, go to greens, select on new greens. You can choose, or we prefer to use these coordinates here. You see how the division appears compared to graticules. So we use the measured grid and click on next. So to visualize on greens and labels, you highlight on greens and labels. To visualize on search, ticks, and these labels outside here, we just click on ticks and marks and labels. And to visualize on labels only, we just highlight on labels only. So you can just click next, then next, then finish. Then okay. And you will notice that the coordinates have been added to our map successfully. So we can do the same for the other map. So it was successful also. So finally, we are going to add the neatline or the frame of the map. So you can just select the boldness of the neatline, the background of the map, and also the shadow of the map from this point. So so it is ensure that there is no point that is highlighted when you are selecting on the neatline. We've said to ensure when you are adding the neatline, ensure that there is no item that is highlighted. So we just go to insert, neatline, select the width of the neatline, then OK, and it shall be added on your data successfully. So now we can export our map to PDF. So just go to, or we can add the text scale. So to add the text scale, ensure that the scale up here is standard. So you can give, for example, search scale. So just go to insert, scale text, then select, then at this point where it has been input, fit it to this edge. So you can also change its properties, but that is how you can make a map in Arcmap. So to export, just go to File, Export Map. You will see search table, give the name of your map, then ensure the save type is PDF, then save, and it shall be added at the point of your folder. So to visualize it, for example, let's see this one here. go to folder and visualize map as such. So that is in Arcmap. Goodbye.